Hello guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel Cjspokenenglish and my channel name is Cjspokenenglish. My name is Chandan Jani, so I am going to translate it Odia to English. Okay, which person are watching my video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start. So jaha sabu chamake taha sabu suna nuhe. So translate kon kariba. All the glitters, not all the glitters, not the gold. समस्ते अतिथि चले गले. All the guests have left. Okay, and chalantu jival, let's go. ये सब आपनक पाई आसीची. All this has come for you. Okay, all this has come for you. Then मते एहा करिबाकु दियो. Allow me, allow me to do it. Okay, allow me to do it. Then प्राय होय गला, almost done होता, almost done. Okay, almost done. सबु बेला खुशी रे रुह. Always be happy. Okay, always be happy. सबु बेला सच्चोट रुह. Always be honest. Okay, always be honest. समस्ते बुढ़ी गले. All were drunk. D-R-O-W-N-E-D, drunk. Okay, समस्ते बुढ़ी गले. मत्ते कोन शामिल करा जाय छै. So मत्ते कोन शामिल करा जाय छै. Am I included? Okay, am I included? Am I included? So look at the blackboard carefully. Jaha sabu chamake taha sabu suna hai. All the glitters are not the gold. Okay, all the glitters are not the gold. Samaste अतिथि चले गले. All the guests have left. चलंतु जिबा, let's go. सबो आपनक पय आसीची. All this has come for you. मते एहा करिबाको दियो. Allow me to do it. Okay, allow me to do it. प्राय होय गला, almost done. Okay, then सबो बेले खुशी रे रहो. Always be happy. सबो बेले सच्चोट रहो. Always be honest. समस्ते बुडी गले. All were drunk. मते कोन शामिल करा जाय छी. Am I okay, am I included? Am I included? So jaha सबु चमके ताहा सुना है. All the glitters are not the gold. समस्त अतिथि चले गले. All the guests have left. चलो तो जिबा, let's go. ये सब आपनक पय आसीची. All this has come for you. Okay, all this has come for you. Okay, then मते एहा करिबाको दियो. Allow me to do it. प्राय होय गला, almost done. Okay, then सब बेले खुशी रे रहो. Always be happy. Okay, then सब बेले सच्चोट रहो. Always be honest. समस्ते बुडी गले. All were drunk. मते कोन शामिल करा जाय छी. Am I included? So if you practice every day, you can speak English also very fluently. Okay, see you next video.